ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। भगवानुवाच ययेनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते। Second chapter, 19th shloka. Bhagavan Krishna, from 11th shloka onwards, he talks about Atma Swarupam. Here, further explains about Atma Swarupam. Here, Bhagavan Krishna says, Atma is Akarta, Atma is Abhokta. It does not do any action, or it is not an object of any action. Atma does not kill anyone or anything, and Atma does not killed by anyone or by anything. This is the message. Who are all things that Atma is killed, and who are all things that Atma is killed by someone, both of them they are wrong, because Atma cannot be killed and Atma kills someone. Atma can kill something or someone, and Atma cannot be killed by someone or something. Please understand, Arjuna. This is the main message of this particular sloka. Akarta, Abhokta. This is the main ideas about Atma Swarupam Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey to Arjuna in this particular sloka. It is a continuation of other sloka also. It is one by one explains to Arjuna so that he can clear his mind, clear his confusion, clear his emotional feeling, and make him fight in the war. That is the main idea Bhagavan Krishna's emphasize Atma Swarupam in each and every sloka. So in this sloka, he very clearly says, Atma can kill anyone, or Atma can be killed by anyone. Both are wrong. So Atma cannot be killed by anyone, and Atma kill anyone. That is also not true. So you cannot kill Atma, or Atma can kill anyone. This is the main message Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey in this sloka. So we shall see tomorrow one more sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.